Scan a photo with your webcam using HP Smart for macOS. Capture a document or photo using your device webcam in the HP Smart app. Then you can edit and share it using email or social media. Begin by opening the HP Smart app. On the home screen, click Scan. Click Create Account to sign up for an HP Smart account to begin scanning with your webcam. If you already have an HP Smart account, click on Sign In to log into your account. Click Get Started. The scan window opens. On the top right corner, click on Camera. The Capture, Save, and Share screen opens when you use the camera to scan for the first time. Click Get Started. HP Smart needs access to your device webcam to scan. If your camera is not already enabled for HP Smart, the app will request your permission to access the camera. Click Open Privacy to open the Mac Security and Privacy settings. In the left pane, click Camera and select the checkbox next to HP Smart. Close and reopen the HP Smart app for the settings to take effect. Once HP Smart has access to the webcam, you will see the camera preview. Hold the document or photo in front of the camera and click the circular icon. The Detect Edges window displays. If the scanned image is unsatisfactory, click the back arrow on the top left corner to scan again. If you're satisfied with the scan, click and hold one of the blue dots to adjust the picture border and then click Apply. The preview window appears. You can add other pages to your scanned document, reorder your multi-page scans, change the file name or type, or edit the scanned image. Once you've made adjustments, click Done. The preview screen displays the scanned documents with the changes made. Click on Print to print your scan. To save the scan to your Mac, click Save. Browse to the location where you want to save the scan, and then click Save. To share your scan over email or social media, click Share and select the desired share option. You can create shortcuts for printing, emailing, or saving the scanned files to your cloud account from HP Smart. To create a shortcut or to use an existing one, click on Shortcuts. To send your scan via fax, click Fax. Click the Playlists tab to find your language. Find official HP support videos.